There was a period of your life you wish had never happened. You know the one. The loss, the failure, the betrayal. The thing that broke you in a way you did not think you could come back from. And this is not a video that will tell you everything happens for a reason, because sometimes things happen for no reason at all, and pretending otherwise is an insult to real pain. But here is what is true. The person you are right now would not exist without it. And the person you are right now is someone you could not have become any other way. The thing that broke you forced you to rebuild. And when you rebuild after something real, you do not build the same structure. You build something stronger, something that knows what collapse feels like and refuses to allow it again. The empathy you carry now for other people in pain came from your pain. You could not have learned it from a book. You could not have borrowed it from someone else. It was built inside you by something you survived. The boundaries you have now were paid for by the times you had none. The clarity you have now about what actually matters was bought by the period when you lost what you thought mattered and discovered what did. The strength you carry now is not the kind that was always there. It is the kind that was forged under pressure, in the dark, when you did not know if you were going to be okay. And you were. You are. That is not nothing. That is everything. The people who have been through the hardest things carry something others cannot see. A steadiness, a depth, a quiet knowing that they have already survived the worst and come through it. And that knowing changes how you move through the world. You are not as afraid of things that once terrified you, because you have already been through something that was supposed to break you, and it didn't. The hardest thing you went through was not wasted, not even close. It was the exact curriculum for the life you are now capable of living, for the person you are now capable of being. You did not come through it unchanged. You came through it upgraded, in the ways that matter most, in the ways that no easy life could ever teach. So tell me, what is the hardest thing you went through that quietly made you stronger? Comment below. I read every single one. Subscribe, because tomorrow we go even deeper.